Hello, everyone. Yes, I want to talk to you today based on the saga, the Catholic saga and the Zion saga. And I want to talk to everyone. Do you know what I want to tell you? This is really the end time. Why do you know that it's end time? When, Christians have left what they're supposed to talk and they are talking another thing. There is the main thing we need to talk, instead of us to talk about Evangelist Ebuka Obi, talk about this and that. Let's talk about Christ, Jesus Christ. As a Christian, because of the belief we have, we need to talk about him. Catholics, that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is a member of Catholic, and God ordained him as a prophet. Nobody should come out and say which bishop ordained him and this and that. Evangelist Ebuka Obi can decide and go to any bishop right now to be his father in the Lord, depending on God's direction. But I think he's doing well. Catholics and Reverend Fathers supposed to be very happy that their child is doing very well. Not only that Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing well, he did not forget where he come from. He did not forget. I know there was one father he was talking about that prophesied to him that the so time that this thing that is happening now is going to happen on him. A lot of things. This is, in fact, this is where it's coming. They're supposed to ground him and say, yes, you are our own. They're supposed to come close to him as the world is after him, fighting him, talking against him, trying to pull him down, trying to shut him up. His own brethren should not leave him at this time. This is my advice. He's not a father. He is not father. He's a prophet. He's a prophet. That is why he's a great man of God. Yes. I'm not saying it because of anything, but I want to tell you, let there be peace in the Christ kingdom. Let there be peace. The saga is too much. The other sister will come out and say they ordained the sisters. Why would the sisters go? If the sisters have problem, won't they go? They have gone there because they believe they have problem. They believe there is issue with them, and that is why you see them. They are there. Evangelist is not a bad person. The only thing about prophets that I told you, once you talk about them or you make them angry, you will hear it on the pulpit. Why will you hear it? If they did not say it and have it in their mind, they may not be able to minister. If they minister, they would, for them to let it go. When you watch Evangelist Ebuka Obi action, the way he talk back, you will see that even Prophet Jeremiah also do the same. Please. Remember, Prophet Elijah was even angry. He started cursing the children. He started cursing. He did not leave them. These are the characters of the prophets. It doesn't mean that they are not good. They are very good. A city without a prophet is dead. Allow him to flow. Allow him to use the what God has given to him to do the work. Okay? Back him up. Follow him. God is by his side. This is what I have come to say. Let there be peace. It's a shameful thing when we are fighting our own. Please hear this.